Okay, after that little landing into the fence, looks like it's just a little wing damage, and the cover on the right wing light got popped off, but that's over in the bag, so I can get that fixed real quick. Fortunately, no structural damage.
Middle rates, high rates.
Or mechanical damage. So I'm gonna back up for flight number 2 of the morning. There she goes. We'll bring her back.
6 minutes and 49
Gear
seconds.
up.
24 volts. Gear up. 6 minutes and 41 seconds. 23.3 volts.
What kind of reading is this giving me? 23.3. See here, it's still climbing, and there's wind. It's a nice wind blowing now. Let's see here. Still a slight climb. I'm gonna bring the elevators down half a turn, and that should trim this baby out. Getting knocked around by the wind pretty good.
Minutes and 9 seconds. 15.4 volts.
There we go. What's up with the lipo sensor giving me these odd readings? This actually feels like a 1200 bird. It's pretty light 1400 millimeter. The Mustang and Corsair definitely fly a lot more heavier than this. Well, actually all the other FMS planes I have. The Mustang, Corsair, Tomahawk, and the T-28 fly a lot heavier than this one. This flies very light relative to the other ones I got.
Minutes and 46 seconds. 14.9 volts.
on the flight line.
One minute and 53 seconds, 15.2 volts.
This track's pretty locked in, this plane.
One minute and 4 seconds, 15 volts.
Okay, it's almost time to land. Let's make one pass, drop the gears, and then we'll come land. Hopefully it'll be a better landing than the last one.
22 seconds, 15.1
Oh yeah.
volts, gear down.
Gears are down. Let's bring you in.
Timer 1 elapsed.
Right when I come to land, the wind picks up.
Minus 24 seconds, 15 volts.
Ooh, that was a close landing. Oh my goodness, I'm about to have a heart attack with this plane. And on top of that, it does this number. Huh. Once the summer's in full effect, I don't know if this plane can handle the field when the grass grows out. Okay, good enough.
Middle rates, low rates.
Take it.